So first thing we need to do with our chicken nuggets is to chop up our chicken breast, skinless chicken breast we're using. And what we want to do is make the nuggets nice and chunky. So they're that kind of shape, about 1 centimetre thick. We're going to get some egg in here, flour on here, and breadcrumbs in here. We'll be dredging our chicken breast into a little bit of seasoned flour. A little bit of salt in that. And we'll just mix that loosely. We have some gluten-free panko. Oh no, this isn't gluten-free panko, this is ordinary panko. But if you are gluten-free, you can get hold of gluten-free panko on the internet. It's just as good as this. And these are going to be our breadcrumbs that we're going to dip our chicken nuggets into. So to make a chicken nuggets, first of all, we dredge the chicken, I'll do a few, into the seasoned flour just to dry them off. Again, if you are gluten-free, you can use gluten-free flour for this. It serves exactly the same purpose. Just dries the outside, makes them easier to handle, and also helps with the egg sticking to it. Gives the egg something to bind to. So this is called panaying. You can do this with Scotch eggs. This is a far better alternative. So we've got a few made up there. We'll crack on and we'll get these coated with our egg. So first things first, we'll shake all loose flour off. Now we're going to go straight from the egg, straight into the panko. So we'll dredge those like so, get them completely covered in egg, and then straight into the panko like so. Once they're done, you can pop them on a tray and they're good to go. And we'll get a few of these done. We're going to shallow fry these in some vegetable oil. That'll make them absolutely delicious. There we go. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, we'll just finish off the rest of these, and then we'll come back and we'll put these in the pan. Well, here's our chicken nugget. Let's see how it tastes. Really, still a bit hot. Really crunchy.
Very juicy inside. Tastes absolutely delicious. And taste the seasoning in that flour as well. Wow, how easy was that? This is something you really ought to try at home.